Here we have an area where up above the eaves where the drip at, not the gutter. At one point they decided to run it down the side of the building and into this. And what happened was it broke, and then the water was hitting this thing that was a nail, kind of a nail to hold it on. It was going inside and running down through here, so it rotted this whole thing out. So we had to remove it. The boards on the other sides were okay, so we removed it. We had to do some chiseling up above to get them to work in together. And then we rebuilt it 1 inch at a time. Then we took this at the same time. We had to remove all this, totally remove it. And fortunately the building is so big and massive it didn't even move. Then over here we had to remove parts of it because the bottom was rotted some, but the rest was all solid. So we gradually built these up, and then at the end we took a piece of plywood and we rounded off the end of it and started driving it in there. So we're expanding this as much as we can to bring it back up to the level it's supposed to be, and we drove it in there, and now we have a really solid base. So the next thing we have to do is cut the boards here, put our molding back on, put a nice wide board here so it goes into the wall boards here. You can see this area here is still rotted, so we have to go underneath inside there, take some bricks out, cut up through, remove this chunk, and then put it back in here. So ideally we want to do that before winter because there's air going through there. And then we have to do some concrete work here.